Good morning, good morning. This is for Team Unstoppable, okay? So, what we're going to do today for math, we're going to start from page 297. And you're going to be able to identify missing numbers by 10. You'll be able to compare temperatures from the coldest temperatures. And also for today for math, you're going to be able to complete a calendar. But let's move on to number one. Now, start with number one says, mark the bubble under the combination that tells how many there are all together. So notice, on that picture for number one, there are frogs. I chose squares, okay? We have 1, 2, 3 on this side, and how many we have on this side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 on this side and it's 5. Notice, we have to figure out which one tells us which is correct. Hey, we have 3 plus 2, 5 minus 3, 8 minus 3, or 3 plus 5. What picture basically tells us what combination on the bottom? Notice 3 over here and 5 over there. So that's correct. We'll bubble that in. So when you look at the next one with the birds, the small birds, chickens, you'll do the same thing. You'll count how many on the left side and how many on the right, and you'll be able to tell the combinations. Now let's look at number 2. We will be able to count by tens. Alright, so when we count by tens, notice we're looking at the digit in the tens place. Notice 27, 37, 47, 57. Okay? Look at the next one. We have 15, missing number, 35, then another missing number. Let's begin. What do you think comes next, counting by tens after 15? What do you think? 25. So 15, 25, 35, 45. Let's move on to the next one. Here we have 52. Then comes next. 62. That is correct. And then 72. 82, 52, 62, 72, 82. And then you have 31 and then a number by tens. So that's how you complete number 2. Let's move on to number 3, looking at the temperatures. So number 3 asks a circle the thermometer shows the coldest temperature. Notice you have 3 temperatures. One of them is around 45. The first one is 45. The next one is 60. And the last one is 30. Coldest for this particular problem means the lowest. So looking at the problem, what is the coldest? What is the lowest out of those 3? Okay, then you would circle that one. But let's flip the page over and looking at the calendar. Let's begin our calendar. So here we're completing the calendar for the month of May. Notice, May for this month starts on a Friday. The first of May is on a Friday. So you don't get confused, I want you to place an X on these days only for the first week, because this is a month before, and I don't want you writing your other numbers on that line, okay? So, Friday, and notice, May also has 31 days. So you basically count from 1 to 31. All right, we're going to do the first 3 rows together, first 2 rows together. 1, 2, very simple. All right, so notice, at the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Now stop. So I'm gonna stop at 16. Now you're going to complete the calendar, but then you also have questions that go along with your calendar. Then again, hold on, let me fix my angle. All right, adjusted the camera so we can see the calendar better. Notice number 2 asks us on what day of the week is the 10th of the month. Okay, so number 2 asks us what day of the week is the 10th of the month. So we have to look for number 10. Notice that is a Sunday. So that is a Sunday. You're going to write Sunday. And number 3 asks us, what is the date of the 3rd Friday? What is the date of the 3rd Friday? Go to Friday. And it wants you the 3rd Friday. So there's the first Friday, second, third. So you're going to write 15 for the 3rd Friday. Next, it said, what is today's date? So you should know what today's date is, because we're writing down our assignments. You'll write that down. The last, what day of the week is it today? So simply look at the calendar. What day of the week is it? Is it Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday? You're gonna write that down. But also, I forgot to add, when we complete the calendar, any blank spaces you will color purple. Okay? So any blank spaces left on that calendar, okay, you'll color that